Good morning, Chuck here from Garden Spot Acres. Bought some bluebird houses the other day out of poly lumber. They're pretty cool. Got to put some hinges on the door, hang a door, put some windows in, clean up some brush, move some corn fodder, mow the chicken yard. Just got a lot on the plate. Here's the door we got to put the hinges on. But we're getting there. Remember we put the loft doors up the other day. I still got double doors here I got to put in. They're going to be on sliding track. And we got the windows to put in still. And the biggest thing is the roof. I just got to wait for my help. But right now we're going to go over and we're going to get a fire started and burn up some brush. Say hello to the goobers. Hey goobers. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, Scooter's too busy eating grass. He's like a cow. The grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. That little one's Tino, if you haven't met them yet. Say hi, Tino. Tino, say hi. But the rain we had for the last couple days really perked these strawberries up. They're looking really nice. Potatoes are looking good. Yeah, I think that'll get going. I'm gonna go grab some rhododendron branches and start piling them on top here. All right, we'll get that hung after I get done mowing the chicken pasture. Hi, little ones. Hi, little ones. I wanted to move the trailer, but I can't. We got little birds on the wheel. There, I think we got that going again. I go hang a door now. You girls hungry? Come on. Trying to get that reveal down through there, pretty much the same. Let's see how that looks. That looks pretty good right there. Yeah, that worked. Take out my spacers. I like that a lot. Now each hinge here is going to get a long screw. I'm going to make sure it hits the 2x4 all the way back, so I'm going to put it in this hole. One more long one. All right, I'm gonna go grab a window and pop it in here. I'm just gonna center that window in there. Good. Got one more chore before I hang it up for the day. I'm not gonna get to the corn fodder. Sue wants some more slats built for the raised bed so she can fence them in and keep the chickens out. She just put it all, you saw in the beginning of the video today, she just put all those vegetables in and she wants to keep the chickens out. So I got one more chore I'm gonna do before I call it a day. Hey, thanks for coming along today. I appreciate it. If you have the time, please share this with your families, friends, and anybody else you think might be interested. Hey, have a great day. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.